What up, YouTube? How's everyone today? So, putting on the new gaskets, get all the surfaces clean. Key thing is when you're rebuilding with new gaskets and stuff, the surfaces always have to make sure it's always super clean, nothing on them, so that way you get a good seal. I did get a gasket maker because you just got to put it on with it. So, rebuilding the trickflow intake manifold and getting ready to get it installed on the car. Like I said, just got everything cleaned up. So what I did was took a special, I don't have it with me, but it's a gasket remover. Gets everything nice and clean, and then I took a little 2000 with wet, sanded to flatten everything out, get all the old gasket off, cleaned it up really well, and now we're in the process of putting all new gaskets and get everything set up. And then I ran water and everything to make sure everything's completely solid with nothing in it, none of the debris from the gasket. Did the bottom gasket, did the top for the top manifold gasket, same thing on the top of the manifold. Got all new gaskets, so we're gonna rebuild this and get this guy going, guys. One thing I'm running into an issue is, obviously, I did get lucky on the cruise control for the bullet. I did get one of those from Ford. It was old new stock, so I got lucky on that. And I'm just having a problem trying to find a throttle cable. A few people said the V6 works, and a few people are saying the Cobra works, and then one guy says he actually might have a bullet cable. So that's the only thing kind of tying me up. So yeah, guys, I just want to make a quick video. You know, when you're prepping everything real, you know, make sure everything's always super nice and clean, and that way, and then obviously tape any of the holes so that way debris doesn't get in once you got this. Usually I would do black duct tape, or it could be duct tape, doesn't matter what color it is. I do have black duct tape though. I'm just using the painter tape just because I know it's not going to be temporary, and sometimes with the duct tape, sometimes the sticky stuff gets on the surface and actually stays on, so that means you're going to have to re-clean everything. So just for a temporary, for now, I know this is just going to be coming off real soon anyway, so just for a temporary, just to make sure nothing goes inside it. Once I seal this up, I want to make sure nothing gets inside. So yeah, guys, just bottom looks really trick on the trickflow intake manifold. Like I said, it's an awesome intake. It just really sucks that trickflow doesn't actually help. You know, I call them up, tell them what we need, and I told them the stuff that, oh, well, we don't know. And a lot of people don't know, so I'm like the test dummy on this, guys. So I'm going to see what works and what doesn't, and get you guys informed what works. So that way, if you do decide you want to do the dual 57, you'll have the cables and everything taken care of. So, yeah, guys. So I will talk to you guys soon. I'm just making a quick video of the rebuild of the trickflow and getting everything straight. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.